My name is Andrew Lawrence and I'm the project manager at Marco Fine Arts. We've been doing fine art reproduction since about 1984. Originally started with stereographs until we started moving towards a digital platform. Originally when we started, we had multiple devices which came with multiple different RIPs. So to add printers to this production environment actually required days of downtime to configure this printer to get it to a production standard. Now with the Onyx software, we simply have to add the printer to the network. From there, Onyx makes it very easy to add a profile and add a production output device, so we could have a printer up and running within half an hour. One of the driving factors for acquiring Onyx was the scalability. Currently we have about 60 printers and those are split between two sites in Austin, Texas and in Hawthorne, California. So out of those we share profiles and the Onyx allows that to be very seamless by using those profiles in LA and in Austin, and from there we can email profiles back and forth and create profiles here or in Austin, and everything is a very seamless addition to our production environment. So the ease of use was a big advantage when we chose the Onyx software. When we looked at some of the competitor software, that was very convoluted. It was hard to understand, didn't know how to set up a printer, how to make a profile. With Onyx it was very easy. We were able to open the software up, install printers, create color profiles and get a production environment running very quickly. With Onyx, we're only running one software to manage production now. And that's been a huge advantage because now when we have a new hire, we only have to show them one software, one workflow to run. The main business benefits that we found is we run around 6,000 files a day. Because we're able to keep everything under one software solution, we have been able to specify the output for some of these printers and some of these devices to maximize media consumption and prevent media waste. When we chose Onyx, we were definitely looking at quality. We know the printers that we have are capable of very high quality, but we needed a software solution that could match that quality. And when we tested Onyx, that was one of the main things that we looked at, was the profiles and how easy it was to create the profiles and how the quality of the profiles compared to the other RIP manufacturers. When we went through the profiling process, we noticed that the Onyx software uses Contone profiles, which help us profile quicker as well as give us that higher output quality that we'd like. With doing so, the Contone profiles rip tremendously faster than the halftone profiles. So not only did that save us time, but we also got the quality that we were looking for. One of the biggest challenges I face as a systems manager is in the event of a problem. So sometimes we have computers crash during production and it's a scramble to try to get it up and running. Well, with Onyx, because everything is based off printer installs, I could get a new install of an OS and install Onyx within 20 to 30 minutes and having that station back up for production. Onyx gives us one software solution that allows us to manage those devices with a color workflow that's contained between all the devices. With using the Onyx software along with our hardware, we're able to achieve those superior results.